this section, we are going to learn how to use the past simple and the present perfect in time clauses. Time clauses are sentences that tell us when something has happened or is happening. So how do we use them? The simple past, or the past simple, or the past indefinite, are used to describe events in the past that are completed, while the present perfect is a grammatical blending of the present tense and the perfect element. We use this to communicate a past event that has present consequences. However, there are circumstances when they can be used to infer different meanings. A time expression is something that tells us when something's happening, for example, or has happened this week, yesterday, last month, this morning. These are all time expressions in the past. So if time expressions are used in a sentence, then the past simple or the present perfect can be used depending on whether we consider the time to be completed or it includes the present time. Let's look at an example. He did not complete the survey this week. Did not. This is the past simple. The week is finished and he did not complete the survey. The second sentence is the present perfect. He has not completed the survey this week. The week isn't finished and he hasn't completed the survey yet, but he still has time to do so. Another example could be past simple. She did not clean her teeth this morning. The morning is completed. She didn't clean her teeth. But we could say in the present perfect, she has not cleaned her teeth this morning. The morning isn't completed. She still has time to clean her teeth, but she hasn't done it yet. In sentences which include a time clause with the word since, then the tense selected depends on whether the time clause extends into the present or if it refers to a specific point in the past. Let's look at two examples. Have you changed your mind on who to vote for since you met the candidate? We're using the word since. So this is still ongoing, but they met the candidate. That's in the past. Is where we're blending these tenses. Or in the second example, since he completed the survey, his opinion has changed. He's completed it, that's the past. So now his opinion has changed in the present. When used with some time clauses and expressions, the present perfect means that the event is in the future, and with the past simple, it means the event is in the past. Let's look at an example for the past. After he left the polling station, he went back to work. He left, that's the past. He went back to work. This has already happened. This event has happened. Future.
As soon as he has left the polling station, he will be going back to work.
So he's telling us what will be happening in the future. And finally, when reporting events in the news, the present perfect is initially used, then the following details are described using the other past tenses. Let's look at this example. The results of the election have now been counted, present perfect, and the results are surprising. The rest of the report is in the past. The party expected to win only won by a marginal amount. This was not expected in view of the results of the surveys that were conducted prior to the election day. So the first part is in the present perfect, what's happened now, what's happening now. And the other part of that report is all in the past. And this is how we use the past simple and the present perfect in time clauses.